Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today I'm very excited because I have another foundation to review for y'all today. This one comes to us from the luxury world, Hourglass. This is their brand new Illusion Luminous Glow Foundation and it does have SPF 30. The shade I picked up is 4. There are 26 different shades available right now on the Hourglass website. And this retails for $58. Now, this is going to provide a luminous glow type of finish. I'm not too sure on the coverage of this one. I want to say it's going to be more along the lines of a medium coverage, which I'm hoping for. But it also says that it's going to help moisturize the complexion. It's going to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and of course, give you that sun protection. A couple other claims on this one is that it is going to be transfer resistant, 12-hour wear, which we are doing a 12-hour wear test today. It's not going to oxidize throughout the day, and of course, it's not going to crease or settle into fine lines. So I've tried just about all of the Hourglass foundations. I would say the Ambient Glow, the one in the glass bottle, that is my favorite. Not a fan of their stick foundation. Their skin tint is good. It's decent, but it's pricey. And we'll see if this one can maybe look to dethrone the Ambient, what is that one called? Is that like Ambient Illusion or Ambient Glow foundation? We'll see if this one can surpass that one or at least come in a strong second. And again, this is going to be a 12-hour wear test, more along the lines of a first impression. The reason I'm not doing 2 days with this one is because I have a couple other foundations that I need to review for you guys, and I want to get those reviews up as soon as possible. So if it is your first time here, I think you picked a good video to tune into, especially if you love Hourglass. Hello and welcome. My name is Steff. I love trying out new makeup. I am a foundation junkie. I can do foundation reviews every single day if it was possible. If you love makeup just as much as I do, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you'll be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're a fan of Hourglass and if you're a fan of foundation reviews, give this video a big thumbs up before you go, and be sure to check the description box for links and codes to everything that I'll be referencing. Some of those links and codes are affiliate, so if you do end up shopping, I thank you so much for helping me support this channel. I'm excited. Let's dive into this. Let's start putting some makeup on this face. If you guys want to see how this latest from Hourglass is going to perform on my 42-year-old normal to oily skin, keep on watching. Okay, so since this is a one-day but 12-hour wear test, I'm going to wear this foundation the way I normally would. So I'm going to go in with a mattifying primer since I am oily in my T-zone. And this one is from One Size. This is a pretty awesome one. It is the Oil Sucker Extreme Mattifying Alkaline Primer. And that's what it looks like. You want to give it a little shake before you start squeezing some out. And I focus this on my T-zone, the places where I need it to be matte in case I'm not able to touch up as often as I would like. And when I do these foundation reviews, I do not touch up. I mean, unless I absolutely have to, but for the most part, I do not. And when I mean touch up, I mean like blot or just add a little powder. So I'm going to let this sit for a quick minute and then we'll go in with the new Hourglass foundation. Now this does come sealed, so let me take off the little sticker. I'm not too sure when this is going to like Sephora or Ulta. I did pick mine up straight from the Hourglass website. This is shade 4. Maybe I should have gone in with shade 3. We'll see. I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics Love is a Foundation brush and we'll start applying. We'll see what happens. There's no scent to this one. Okay, that primer is definitely helping to mattify it. Of course, if you're more along the lines of a normal or dry skin, then obviously that would not be the primer that you'd want to go in with. Now it looks like this is providing a pretty decent coverage, definitely medium coverage. I'm thinking I might be able to build this up to be full coverage, maybe on the lighter side of full coverage. But this definitely provides more coverage than their stick foundation and that skin tint. And I still have a little bit in the back of my hand. Now, the areas that I like to build up coverage are on the sides of my cheeks and a little bit like on my forehead and my nose. I mean, not my nose, but my chin. So I'm going to use a damp sponge, pick up what I have, and just start bouncing right in here. All right, so I think that looks pretty good. I'm liking the coverage. I think it looks nice. I actually think the shade is not too bad. I think maybe 3 or 4, I'm able to get away with. I'm gonna go in with my Lancome concealer next. Now I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Hello Kitty. This is their pink powder. It is available individually outside of the collection. Highly recommend this one. I'll be using this to set the under eye area as well as set my T-zone. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my One Size Until Dawn setting mist. Okay guys, so here's what the complexion's looking like. I think I'm covered. I think everything looks good. I don't see the glow. And so the proof that this primer really works. This is a really good one. Just again, make sure you shake it up before you squeeze them out. I like the shade. I like the finish of it so far. This is going to take on a glowy finish in an hour or two on my normal to oily skin. So I'm not really worried about that. But I really like the way it looks. Like it looks very even. It feels good. It feels lightweight. Right down here, it does feel a little tacky. I didn't powder there, but I have high expectations for this one. I think we might have a winner on our hands. So I'm going to do a check-in with you guys after my lunch break. We'll see what it's looking like then. And then when I get home from work, I have a later day today because I'm getting my nails done after work. So once I get home from that appointment, I will let you guys see what this face of makeup is looking like, and I will give you my final thoughts on it at that time. But as of right now, it's looking really good. Hey guys, so here we are at the 6-hour check-in, and this is what the foundation's looking like. I think it's still matte. That primer is really working, really doing a good job. But there is a little bit of a glow, a little bit of a luminosity peeking through. So far, I like it. It feels good. I like the way it's wearing, but I can see now it's more of a medium coverage than I was thinking. Now that I'm in the natural light, what light there is out here, it's more medium coverage. I can see some of my imperfections peeking through, but so far so good, and it has 6 more hours to go, so I will check in with you guys then. Hey guys, so this is where we're at, a little past the 12-hour mark. I have done no touch-ups, no blotting, no adding powder, nothing. And I have to say, I think a combination of the primer and the powder with this foundation has really helped it not be as luminous on my normal to oily skin than it probably should have been if I had not gone in with those products. I definitely think if you're a similar skin type to me and you want to pick this up, or you're full on oily, get yourself that One Size mattifying primer because it works wonders. If you haven't tried it, try it and thank me later. But I actually think this foundation held up really well for over 12 hours of wear. I think it looks nice. I think it's a true medium coverage foundation. You can build it up slightly. I like that it has SPF 30 in it, and it does feel really lightweight. Again, I picked up shade 4. I think it's a pretty decent shade match on me. I probably could have gone with shade 3 and been okay, but I like it. Do I think it replaces the other Hourglass foundation? I don't know. I think I still like the one in the bottle better, but this one is a close second. So I'll put this one in second, the Ambient Glow, the one that comes in the glass bottle, in first, the Skin Tint in third, and the Stick Foundation in fourth. And that's kind of the order I thought I would rank them. And sure enough, that's the way it turned out. Let me know if you're going to pick this one up. It's a pricey one at $58, but it is available right now on the Hourglass website. I'll have it linked in the description box. Let me know your thoughts. Have you picked it up already? Have I influenced you to buy it? Or maybe you're going to pass. There's so many amazing drugstore foundations that you can choose from. Maybelline, NYX, Flower Beauty, Wet n Wild. I mean, any of those brands, you can find something great. Don't feel like you have to run out and get this one. I'm a foundation junkie, so of course I wanted to try it for you guys, but $58 is quite the splurge. Let me know if you're going to be picking it up. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'll see y'all very soon. Bye!